passion is really just speaking to people. I want to be able to use those stories to be able to inspire people. I don't ever want there to be a person that thinking that their life is just so much that they'll never be successful. I don't want anybody to ever grow up thinking that what they love to do can never make them successful. We will reach where we want to reach in life. There will be opportunities, there will be success in our life. But we just have to make sure it's something that we want to do and not something that the world tells us to want for ourselves. We have to do what we say we want for ourselves.